cobblestone, walking these streets we've always known. A little cafe, a table for two, just a croissant and a look at you. The world is quiet, the city's slow, in this golden morning glow. C'est la vie, c'est l'amour, everything's better when you're near. The melody of your heartbeat is the only thing I wanna hear. Oh, let's get lost in the rue de l'amour. I've never felt this way before. A Sunday dream, a velvet sky, the way you look me in the eye. It's a French movie, a vintage scene, living the life we've always dreamed. Mon chéri, don't let go, just keep it sweet, just keep it slow. Oh, vinyl playing a jazz record song with you is exactly where I belong. Polaroid pictures and red wine stains, dancing with you in the summer rains. No need for words, no need to rush, the whole world fades into a hush. Un, deux, trois, count the stars above the sun, falling for you again and again. Oh, let's get lost in the rue de l'amour. I've never felt this way before. A Sunday dream, a velvet sky, the way you look me in the eye. It's a French movie, a vintage scene, living the life we've always dreamed. Mon chéri, don't let go, just keep it sweet, just keep it slow. Je t'aime. Encore et encore, just you and me. The morning sun is waking up the sand, a gentle breeze, a whisper of the rain. We share a croissant and a secret smile. Let's just stay here for a little while. No maps to follow, no place to be, just the rhythm of you and me. The city sings a